Welcome to Corofy, your trusted partner on the journey to becoming a licensed real estate professional in New York. Today, we've crafted a special guide to help you navigate through the complexities of the real estate exam with ease and confidence. Before we dive into our top 25 real estate questions designed to sharpen your skills and boost your exam readiness, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more invaluable resources and updates. Now, let's embark on this educational journey together. Before we get started, let's talk about taking your study to the next level. With our real estate exam prep course, you're not just studying, you're preparing to succeed. Our course offers comprehensive materials, practice tests, and personalized feedback to ensure you're not just ready, but fully equipped to ace your New York State real estate exam. And for a limited time, here's a special offer to boost your exam prep. Use the following code for a 20% discount. Don't just aim to pass. Excel with confidence and start your real estate career strong. Here are the 25 real estate questions that will sharpen your knowledge and prepare you for success.
Question 1. Which of the following is not regulated by the ECNAS? A. HVAC systems. B. Electrical and lighting systems. C. Building envelopes. D. Setback requirements. The correct answer is D. Setback requirements. These are typically governed by local zoning codes, not the Energy Conservation Construction Code of New York State. Question 2. A type of chemical substance used for cooling in air conditioners is A. Puron, B. Radon, C. Propane, D. Carbon dioxide. The correct answer is A. Puron, also known as R410A. This refrigerant is used in modern air conditioning systems, offering an environmentally friendly alternative to older types. Question 3. What is a disadvantage of an oil-fueled heating system? A. It is the most expensive heat source. B. It requires delivery and storage of the oil. C. Heating systems requiring oil cannot be used in residential applications. D. Heating systems requiring oil emit toxic fumes. The correct answer is B. It requires delivery and storage of the oil. This necessity adds a layer of complexity for homeowners who must manage oil supply levels and storage. Question 4. A requirement for the transfer of a one- or two-family home in New York is AN. A. Structural inspection certificate. B. Smoke alarm and carbon monoxide detector affidavit. C. Affidavit of service. D. Authorization from the New York Board of Fire Underwriters. The correct answer is B. Smoke alarm and carbon monoxide detector affidavit. New York law requires these affidavits to ensure the safety devices are installed and functioning in homes being transferred. Question 5. Which of the following is false regarding the venting of plumbing fixtures? A. Provides a flow of air to and from a drainage system. B. Ensures rapid and silent flow of waste and stops back pressure. C. Does not work in a structure that has more than 2 floors. D. Permits gases and odors in the drainage piping to escape outside. The correct answer is C. Does not work in a structure that has more than 2 floors. Plumbing vents are essential for all structures, regardless of their size, ensuring proper waste flow and ventilation. Question 6. The federal law providing guidelines for hazardous waste cleanup is the A. National Environmental Act, B. Comprehensive Environmental Response, Compensation and Liability Act, C. Clean Air Act, D. National Recovery Act. The correct answer is B. Comprehensive Environmental Response, Compensation, and Liability Act, commonly known as Superfund. This law addresses hazardous waste sites and mandates their cleanup. Question 7. The responsibility for safe drinking water in New York rests with the A. Department of Agriculture, B. Department of State, C. Department of Health, D. Office of OSHA. The correct answer is C. Department of Health. This department ensures that public water systems meet safety standards to protect public health. Question 8. The CQR process applies to A. All property transactions in New York. B. Property transactions that transfer private property between 2 or more parties. C. Industrial property only. D. real estate projects that require approval by a government agency. The correct answer is D, real estate projects that require approval by a government agency. The State Environmental Quality Review process assesses the environmental impacts of such projects. Question 9. If a property is termite infested, A, it must be rebuilt from the ground up. B, it can be treated with termiticide and structurally repaired if necessary. C, it cannot be marketed in New York. D, a real estate licensee is not allowed to disclose information regarding termite infestation, if known, to prospective buyers. The correct answer is B. It can be treated with termiticide and structurally repaired if necessary. Effective treatments can address termite issues without the need for complete reconstruction. Question 10. If asbestos is present, it is best to A, remove it, B, test it, C, leave it alone, D, paint it. The correct answer is C, leave it alone. Undisturbed asbestos materials often pose no immediate risk, but they should be evaluated by professionals to determine the best course of action. Question 11. The danger of radon lies in its A, fumes, B, friability, C, magnetic strength, D, radioactivity. The correct answer is D, radioactivity. Radon's health risks stem from its radioactive nature, making it a silent hazard in homes. Question 12. Lead-based paint disclosure applies to A, residential properties built before 1978, B, commercial properties only, C, all residential properties, D, all new construction. The correct answer is A, residential properties built before 1978. Awareness and disclosure are vital for preventing lead poisoning. Question 13. Broderick, a real estate agent who is being paid only by the lessees, does not disclose to his lessees that the two-family property they are renting was built before 1978 and may contain lead-based paint. Which of the following is true? Broderick A, as the lessee's agent, does not have to disclose because the lessees are paying him. B, has violated the Residential Lead-Based Paint Hazard Reduction Act. C, only needs to disclose the possible presence of lead-based paint in properties built before 1968. D, does not have a duty to disclose because the law applies only to a house purchase, not a rental. The correct answer is B, has violated the Residential Lead-Based Paint Hazard Reduction Act. Transparency regarding lead paint is required regardless of the property's rental or sale status. Question 14. Which of the following is false regarding the plumbing system? A, the systems for water supply and wastewater are combined. B, it must follow local code guidelines as to materials used. C, private systems must adhere to minimum separation distances for wells and septic systems. D, if no local code guidelines are available, systems must comply with the New York Fire Prevention and Building Code. The correct answer is A, the systems for water supply and wastewater are combined. In fact, they are kept separate to maintain hygiene and prevent contamination. Question 15. The minimum electrical service installed in a residential home must be A, 50 amps, B, 100 amps, C, 150 amps, D, 200 amps. The correct answer is B, 100 amps. This capacity is considered sufficient for modern residential needs and safety standards. Question 16. A device that melts and opens a circuit to stop electrical power when overheating occurs is called A, fuse, B, distribution panel, C, service drop, D, voltmeter. The correct answer is A, fuse. Fuses are safety devices designed to protect circuits from overload by melting and breaking the circuit. Question 17. The act administered by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau that regulates the sale of unimproved lots across state lines is known as the A, Superfund Amendment and Reauthorization Act, B, Interstate Land Sales Full Disclosure Act, C, Uniform Building Code, D, Residential Warranty Corporation Act. The correct answer is B, Interstate Land Sales Full Disclosure Act. This legislation ensures that consumers are informed about land purchases, promoting transparency and fairness. Question 18. The New York law that provides minimum standards for construction materials and safety is A. General business law, B. Not state law since only local statutes are used, C. Article 9A of the Real Property Law, D. NYS Fire Prevention and Building Code. The correct answer is D. NYS Fire Prevention and Building Code. This code sets forth the requirements to ensure building safety and fire prevention across the state. Question 19. After signing a home improvement contract, an owner has up to how many days to cancel it? A. 1 business day after the contract was signed. B. 3 business days after the contract was signed. C. 1 week after the contract was signed. D. 1 month after the contract was signed. The correct answer is B. 3 business days after the contract was signed. This cooling off period allows homeowners to reconsider their decisions without immediate pressure. Question 20. The water supply system in New York is regulated by the A. Army Corps of Engineers, B. Department of Agriculture, C. State Department of Public Works, D. Department of Health. The correct answer is D. Department of Health. This department ensures that water supply systems meet health and safety standards to protect the public. Question 21. The New York law that sets minimum energy efficiency requirements for the design of new buildings and renovations and additions to existing buildings is A. Article 9A of the Real Property Law, B. Energy Conservation Construction Code, C. General Business Law, D. Human Rights Law. The correct answer is B. Energy Conservation Construction Code. This code promotes energy efficiency and sustainability in building designs. Question 22. A seller must sign an affidavit indicating the presence of a smoke alarm and carbon monoxide detector in the sale of A. Commercial properties, B. 1 and 2 family residential properties and residential condominiums and cooperatives, C. Apartment units only, D. Only properties used by the public. The correct answer is B. 1 and 2 family residential properties and residential condominiums and cooperatives. This requirement ensures that homes are equipped with essential safety devices. Question 23. According to the EPA, which level of radon concentration is considered safe? A. No level, B. 1 picocurie, C. 2 picocuries, D. 4 picocuries. The correct answer is A. No level. The EPA advises that any radon exposure carries some risk and lower levels are always preferable. Question 24. A toxic liquid organic compound that was used as an insulating medium for electrical transformers and which has polluted both the soil and waterways in New York is A. Radon, B. UFI, C. Chlorofluorocarbons, D. PCBs. The correct answer is D. PCBs. These substances have caused significant environmental damage and are subject to strict regulations. Question 25. A sprayed insulation no longer used that caused noxious fumes is called A. Loose fill insulation, B. Rigid insulation, C. UFI, D. Batt insulation. The correct answer is C. UFI. Urea formaldehyde foam insulation was discontinued due to health concerns related to its fumes.
Thank you for joining us for this educational session. Before we wrap up, let's consider how you can elevate your exam preparation even further. With our real estate exam prep course, your study becomes a pathway to success. And now, for a limited time, we're making this journey more accessible for you. Use the following code at checkout to receive a 20% discount on our exam prep course. This is your chance not just to pass, but to excel with confidence and begin your real estate career on solid ground. Don't forget to share this video with friends who are also on their journey to becoming real estate professionals. Subscribe to our channel for more practice tests and resources to ensure your success. We're committed to helping you pass your real estate exam with flying colors. See you in the next video.